woke up stiff in your hips or lower back? Like your body is holding tension from the day before and sleep didn't shake it? Let's break that cycle. Let's hit the mat. When tight hips start your day, they steal your stride and shorten your breath. This move gives it all back. This isn't just a stretch, it's a nervous system reset. I promise by the end of this minute, you'll already feel more grounded in your body. Bring your right knee toward your right wrist, left leg reaches back, hips stay square. Fold forward gently, breathe. Switch sides at 30 seconds. You're gonna feel a deep release through the glutes and outer hips, a sense of emotional exhale. Can you soften your shoulders while deepening the breath? Are you allowing the stretch or resisting it? That just unlocked your outer hips. Now let's explore internal rotation. This one doesn't look like much, but it will surprise you. Internal hip mobility is often ignored, but I promise it's a missing piece in pain-free movement, walking, and posture. Sit with knees bent, feet flat, hands behind you. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then return to center. Switch sides, repeat slowly. You're going to feel a deep pull through the inside of the hip joint, a gentle core engagement for control. Next, we take that openness and stack it with strength. Can you keep your glutes on the ground for the entire flow? Does one side drop easier than the other? That's your feedback. That just turned on your hip rotators. Now let's fire them up. This is where mobility meets power. It strengthens the muscles we just stretched, bringing activation to match flexibility. I promise this will support your spine and posture all day. Start kneeling. Sit hips back to heels. Squeeze glutes to press hips forward and return tall. Repeat slow and strong. You're going to feel a glute squeeze at the top, a subtle stretch in the hip flexors. This move trains your brain to lead with strength, not momentum. Pause at the top. Engage your core and lift tall. Are you leading from your hips or using your back? That just connected power with control. Now let's soften the edges. This one's a classic, but don't mistake it for easy. Butterfly pose decompresses the hips, calms the nervous system, and clears built-up tension. I promise you'll feel light and centered by the end. Sit tall, soles of your feet together. Let your knees drop open. Gently press them down as you breathe in. Exhale into the fold if it feels good. You're going to feel inner thigh release, a calm through your seat and breath. Next, we extend. Not just the body, but the breath. Hold for 5 more seconds with your spine tall. Are you leaning into your flexibility or forcing it? That just softened your base. Now we rise into the spine. We finish with a rise, extension, breath, and release. Cobra counteracts sitting, opens your heart, and stretches the front chain. I promise it will leave you feeling alert, light, and recentered. Lie on your belly, hands under shoulders, press feet into the floor. Inhale, lift your chest, keep glutes soft, elbows slightly bent. You can feel a lift in the chest, openness across the front body, calmness in the back. This pose can stimulate digestion and improve breathing mechanics. Can you lift your chest 1 inch higher without strain? Hold at 5, 4. Is your breath reaching your ribs or stuck in your throat? That just sealed your spine and breath reset. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burnt out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.